Sometimes the standard forms and dialogues in Dynamics 365 only get you so far. You can do some customization, but when your business process needs something more tailored, more fields, conditional logic, or a completely different workflow, you need another approach. Today, we're looking at how North52 lets you build fully custom dialog forms for virtually any scenario. I'm joined by our North52 expert, Bruce, to walk us through this. So, what are we looking at today?
We're using the close opportunity process as our example, but this pattern applies to lots of scenarios: approvals, data capture workflows, bulk operations, really anywhere you need a custom dialog. With close opportunity specifically, Dynamics 365 does allow some customizations of the form. But let's say your business needs more. Maybe you want conditional logic where selecting lost immediately shows a lost reason field and locks the revenue to 0. Or you want to enforce specific validation rules. That's where custom dialogs come in.
So this isn't just about close opportunity. It's a pattern that can be reused.
Exactly. Once you understand how to build a custom dialog with North52, you can apply it anywhere. We're just using close opportunity as a practical example to demonstrate this technique.
Okay, great. Let's take a look.
Here's what we've built. When a user selects an opportunity and clicks our custom ribbon button, this dialog opens. They choose won or lost. If they pick won, they enter the actual revenue and close date. If they pick lost, the revenue field locks to 0 and a lost reason field appears.
So the form is reacting in real time based on user input.
Exactly. And that's all handled by a North52 client-side formula. No JavaScript required. And when they click close opportunity, which is a North52 quick button, another formula creates the opportunity close record and closes the dialog.
Let's peek under the hood. What's making this work?
There are a few components. First, we have a custom Dynamics form, just a standard main form, but we've added some North52 JavaScript events to make it behave like a dialog. It hides the Chrome, disables autosave, things like that. Then we have two formulas. The first one controls a UI. What fields are required, what's visible, default values. It uses a decision tables, which is like a spreadsheet where you define conditions and actions. So here, if the user selects lost, we show the lost reason field, make it required, and disable the revenue field, all defined visually, no code. The second formula handles the button click. It reads the form values and calls either the win opportunity or lose opportunity North52 functions to create the close record. Then it closes the dialog.
And the ribbon button that opens all this?
That's using North52 quick ribbon functionality. You configure it right in the app design. Point it at your custom form, pass in a record ID, and done.
Now, I know there's a related example that takes this even further using bulk update.
Yes, same concept, but instead of closing one opportunity, you're updating multiple records at once. In this example, a user selects several opportunities from the grid, clicks a button, and gets a dialog where they can update the rating, reset the sales team, or assign new team members using a subgroup. When they click update, a formula loops through each selected record, makes the changes, and then displays a summary right in the dialog, which records were updated, which users were added.
So you get that feedback without leaving the screen.
Exactly. It's a pattern you can adapt for any bulk operation.
All right, let's recap. If you need to customize dialogues in Dynamics 365 or Dataverse model-driven apps, whether it's replacing lockdown screens like close opportunity or building bulk update tools, North52 gives you a way to do it with standard forms and visual formulas.
And because it's all configuration, not code, it's easier to maintain and update as your business changes.
If you want to see how this could work for your specific requirements, reach out to North52 for a demo. They can walk you through the setup and help you figure out the best approach for your scenario. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.